What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about some updates for Applied Genetic Technologies Corporation, trading under the ticker AGTC. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. We last talked about AGTC stock here on my channel a couple months ago, and since that video we have continued to see a ton of volatility in the stock market, with AGTC stock hit just as hard as other small market cap companies, selling off significantly over the past 2 months. And AGTC share price currently trading at around $4 per share at the time that I'm recording this video. But despite the ongoing market volatility, AGTC shareholders got some great news from the company, which recently announced their earnings report on May 17th. Over the past quarter, AGTC continues to grow as a business, announcing a 50% response rate in its ongoing clinical trials for treatment of X-linked retinitis pigmentosa, with AGTC CEO Sue Washer stating in the press release that the positive data from the ongoing clinical trials, as well as their plans to expand their manufacturing facility, providing AGTC management with great confidence in the X-linked retinitis pigmentosa program. And AGTC also remains on track with ongoing clinical trials in the treatment of achromatopsia, with Sue Washer stating that she anticipates being able to provide shareholders with updates about those clinical trials later this year in 2021. Moving on to the financials for the quarter, as expected for this company that has not yet brought a product to the market, they continue to be pre-revenue, with AGTC continuing to post huge research and development expenses for the quarter in the sum of $11 million versus $8.3 million year over year, with AGTC ultimately posting on the bottom line a net loss of $14.9 million for the quarter compared to $11.2 million year over year. But despite being pre-revenue and continuing to post a quarterly loss, AGTC continues to have a strong balance sheet, with total current assets in the sum of $113 million, of which $89.5 million is cash and cash equivalents, more than enough to cover their total current liabilities in the sum of $16.5 million. So with all of that being said, what are my thoughts about AGTC? As a long-term investment, I continue to love AGTC stock, and I believe that they have a ton of growth potential ahead of them and have an opportunity to improve countless individuals' quality of life. But here in the short term, because of the ongoing market volatility and the inherent risk associated with investing in a pre-revenue speculative penny stock like AGTC, I can't say that I'm actively buying shares right now. But the shares that I do have of AGTC, I plan to continue to hold for the long term. But just remember, my videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and talking about my opinions about that company based on that research. AGTC is a very small market cap speculative penny stock, and an investment in AGTC comes with risks. So if you're thinking about investing in AGTC, make sure you're doing your own research and only investing if you're willing to accept those risks. What are your thoughts about AGTC? Are you invested in AGTC stock? Are you thinking about investing in AGTC? Where do you think the share price is going over both the short term and the long term? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.